Are your friends fun or are they funny? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Mr. Ian Teaches English. Today we are comparing two words that students get wrong a lot: fun and funny. Now, funny is the more specific word that means something that makes you laugh. Movies can be funny, people can be funny. Fun, on the other hand, is just something that you enjoy. Walking in the park is fun. Going to the beach is fun. But you don't laugh, you just have a good time. You enjoy yourself. So when you're describing your friends, make sure you know the difference between funny and fun.